The MORryde TV40-011H sliding TV mount is built for outdoor entertainment, letting you pull your television out from a cabinet or wall for a clear, comfortable viewing angle at the campsite or in the driveway. Its long horizontal travel and additional swivel adjustment make it easy to fine-tune the screen position so everyone can see without glare or neck strain. The mount locks securely in the closed position, which is especially reassuring in a moving recreational vehicle where you do not want the television shifting around. A solid steel construction and a weight rating suitable for most mid-sized flat screens give this mount a sturdy, confidence-inspiring feel. Standard mounting hole patterns and the included hardware make it straightforward to attach a compatible television and install the bracket without hunting for extra parts. Overall, this mount is a practical, durable choice for recreational vehicle owners who want a smooth sliding action and flexible viewing without sacrificing travel safety.